Okay, so before you read the story, let's have first the vocabulary. Uh, You will match the word to its meaning for you to easily understand the story. Okay, so can you see my screen now,
Opo.
Ethan? Okay, so you will read first the words. Okay, can you please read number 1 to 5, the first
I've
word? Next.
drones, gather, creatures, defense,
Okay, how about the meanings? Letter
living
A.
things, be-
Letter B.
protect protect themselves,
And then,
a home for bees, collect male bees that do not work,
okay, so you match the word to its meaning. Let's have the word hive. What is hive?
living things,
Hive. What do you mean by the word hive? Look for its meanings from A, B, C, D, or E. What do you mean
A
by the
po,
word hive? Again,
A po,
are you sure it's living things?
hindi po, B po,
We already discussed this last Friday. Hive, that's the home or a home for bees, okay? Hive is
opo,
the house of the bees. Okay? How about drones? How about drones? What do you mean by the word drones? Okay. It is
a,
a
a home for bees,
no, hive
hindi,
is a home for bees. How about drones? Mm. Drones are male bees that do not work. Okay,
oo,
please remember drones are male bees that do not work. Okay, how
mm,
about the word gather? How about gather?
a home for bees,
Is it a home for bees? We already hive, the word hive, the meaning of the word hive is a home for bees. It's the home or house of the bees. And drones, male bees that do not work. Okay? How about the word gather? What do you mean by the word gather? What is the meaning? A, you just choose from letter A, B, and then D only.
D,
Letter D, collect. Okay, that's right. How about creatures or creatures? What do you mean, or what is the meaning of the word creatures? Mm. The word creatures. We are creatures, or we are the creator.
mm,
Okay, what is the look for its meaning? The word creature. You just choose letter A and then B only. Ano ang meaning? What is the meaning of the word creatures?
A, living things,
Okay, A, living things. When we say creatures, all living things, just like us, we are creatures or living things. Okay. Next, how about the word? Oh, can you please read number 5?
defense,
Okay, what is defense?
protect themselves,
Okay, protect themselves. Okay, that's right. So, those are the words and its meaning. Now, let's start to, uh, you start to read the story. Okay, wait for a while. Oops, stop sharing. Okay, can you see again my screen, Ethan? Nakikita po ba ulit ang aking screen? Oh, Ethan. Oh, look at me, Ethan. Okay. Oh, you start reading. So the title of the story is all about the bee. Have you seen a bee? Nakakita ka na ba ng bee?
Nakita ko
Oh,
na.
okay. Or sa Tagalog, ang tawag doon sa bee ay bubuyog. Okay? Ah,
Opo.
so, okay, can you please start reading? Oh, you start
Bee,
read the title
the
first.
bee. Mm-mm.
Okay, go.
Bees live in a house that is called a hive.
Okay, what's the name of the house of what's the name of the house of the bee? We
The
call it.
bee,
Oh, ano yung tawag sa bahay ng mga bubuyog or bee? Bees.
yun,
Hive,
like,
okay? Ethan, hive. Ang
opo,
tawag, the name of the house of the bees are or we called it hive. Please
opo.
remember that, okay?
Yep.
Next, continue.
There are three kinds of bees: workers, drones, and queens.
Okay. So, how many kinds of bees?
Only one:
How many kinds of bees?
workers,
Hmm?
drones,
No, no. Um, Based from the text that you read, how many bees? How many kinds of bees based from the text or the sentence that you read? We have three. Oh, look at the sentence, okay, Ethan? There are three kinds of bees. What are those, Ethan? Can you
workers.
please can you please
Ayun lang,
recite? No,
bees ay,
look at the screen.
ano.
Mm,
Nakita ko.
okay. Again, what can you please recite? What are the three kinds of bees?
Three times.
Three kinds. Mm. We have the workers, the drones,
Drones,
and the queens. So
opo,
these are the three kinds of bees. Okay? Tandaan mo po.
opo.
The three kinds of bees are workers, drones, and queens. At saan po sila nakatira? Where do they live? What is the
Hive,
name of their house?
hive po.
Okay, very good. Hive. Next. Only one. Oh, you continue reading, Ethan.
Only one queen bee can live in each hive. If she is lost or dead,
The other.
the other bees will stop their work.
Okay, did you understand?
Opo.
Okay, what did it say there? Mm. Can you please explain what you read, Ethan? Uh, if she is lost or dead, the other bees will stop their work. So how many
Opo.
queen bee can live in each hive? How many queen bee can live in each hive? It state there in the text. Ilang queen bee ang pwedeng tumira sa hive or sa bahay ng bubuyog?
One.
Okay, one. Very good.
Mm.
Tapos, if the queen bee is lost or dead, namatay yung queen bee, anong mangyayari sa mga other bees? Ano po ang mangyayari sa mga other bees?
Will stop their work.
Okay. Other bees will stop their work. Okay? Because other bees are dependent to their queen. Okay? Next.
Opo.
Please remember that. Again, hive, that's the name of the house of the bees. And then there are three kinds of bees. We called it workers, drones, and queens. Okay? And then only one queen bee can live in each hive. At and if the queen bee is lost or dead, the other bees will stop their work. Okay? Next. Or you read the sentences that was highlighted.
Bees are very wise and busy little creatures. They all join together to build cells of wax for their honey.
Then, each bee, you continue.
Each bee takes its proper place and does its own work. Some go out and gather honey from the flowers. Others stay at home
And,
and work inside the hive.
okay. Next,
The
the
cells,
cells. You continue reading it, Ethan.
which they build, are all one shape and size, and no room is left between them.
Next.
The cells are not round; they have six sides.
Okay. So look at the picture. Okay, it says there that the cells which they build are all of one shape and size, and no room is left between them. So the cells are not round. They have six sides. So what shape has six sides or six sides? I mean, do you know what shape is that, Ethan? If the cells has six sides, that means the shape is, we called it hexagon. Okay? The shape that has six sides, we called it hexagon. So the shape of the cell or the hive is hexagon. Okay? Is it clear? What is the
Opo.
shape again?
The
What is the
the
shape?
cells. Wait lang.
What is the shape again based from what I told you? Hexagon. Okay?
Hexagon. Opo.
If your teacher asks you, what shape has six sides? What will you say? What will you answer? Hexagon. Okay?
Hexagon.
Uh,
Opo.
how about if I ask you, what shape has three sides? Anong shape yon? Kaya, three sides. Meron
Hexagon.
siyang, meron siyang
Ay,
three sides. So, anong shape po yon? Anong shape ang mafo-form? Triangle, okay?
triangle. Opo.
Opo. Kasi, pero dyan sa text, sinabing they have six sides. Ibig sabihin, yung shape ng cell ay hexagon. Okay, please
Mm.
remember that, okay? Next, you start
Did
reading.
you ever look into a glass hive to see the bees while at works? Work. It is pleasant to see how busy they always are.
Okay, next.
But the drones do not work before winter comes in. All the drones are driven from the hive so that they don't eat the honey which they did not gather.
Okay, so what kind of bees do not work? Anong bees ang tawag sa ah yung hindi nagtatrabaho, do not work? Okay. We called it
Opo.
what?
winter. Mm,
Hmm?
ay,
We called it what? Drones. Okay?
opo.
Drones. The drones do not work. So, sila yung kind ng bee na hindi nag-work. They don't gather, hindi sila tumutulong uh, to, hindi sila tumutulong para kumuha ng pollen from the flower. Okay? Next. And then, when the winter comes, all the drones are driven from the hive so that they
Mm,
don't eat the honey which they did not gather. Of course, they are not working. The drones are not working. So, anong gagawin sa kanila? When the winter comes, where the bees will go to their hive, oh, paaalisin yung mga drones kasi para hindi din sila kumain ng honey na hindi naman nila pinagtrabahuan. Okay?
mm,
They will not eat the honey which they did not gather. Okay? Naintindihan?
opo.
Next.
It
Mm.
is not safe for children to handle bees. Bees have a painful st- no,
Okay.
sting
Yes,
stem
continue. Again.
that they
Again, can you please read it again, Ethan? Can you please read it
it is
again?
not safe for children to handle bees.
Mm.
Bees have a painful sting that they use in their defense.
Okay, so for children, it is not safe to handle bees. Bees have a painful sting that they use in their defense. Have you nasubukan mo na bang nakagat ng bee or bubuyog, Ethan? Have
Hindi
you
ba?
try? Hindi pa. So, if the bee, uh, kung mabagat sa skin, it's very painful. Okay, sobrang
Mm,
sakit. Na ang mangyayari, magiging bukol pa. Mag,
mm,
it will form a red dot and then it's so painful. Okay? So it is not safe for children to handle bees or to play around near the hive. Oh, yung hive malaking. By the way, have you seen a hive?
opo,
Okay. So I don't need to here. Can you see the picture?
opo,
Look at the picture. Oh, that's what hive looks like. Okay? So did you understand the story, Ethan?
opo.
Okay, so let's see if you really understand the story by answering this question. Okay. So can you please read the question and then the choices before you answer? Okay. Let's have number one.
How many sides does a cell in a hive have?
Okay. You read first the choices, ha? A. You read first A. Uh,
A, B, C, D.
no, you read also the word, Ethan. Just like A, three. Like that. I'll go.
C, 6.
Okay. So your answer is letter six. By the way, you read first the question and then the choices, all of the choices, and then you give your answer. Okay? You recite your answer. Okay, let's have number two. Okay.
What
Go. Can
happens
you
to
please
the
read?
drones in the winter?
Okay. What happens to the drones in in the winter? Mm. You read first A.
A, sleep. B, they find a new hive. C, they are driving out.
And then?
D, they repair the hive.
Okay. So what is your answer?
C.
What is C?
They are driving out.
Okay, very good. So, uh, they are driving out. Why? Why did you say that drones are driving out when winter comes? Because what?
The
Uh, why does drones are driving out when winter comes? Bakit? 'Di ba I already discussed it. Okay, a while ago. Bakit kaya pinapaalis ng mga bees yung mga drones kapag winter na? Hmm, kasi
because they find a new, wait lang.
no, they are driving out. That means pinaalis sila.
Mm-mm.
Because what? Drones are not working. They are not
Opo.
working. That's
Mm-mm.
why when the winter comes, kapag yung mga bees ay pumasok na doon sa bahay nila, pinapaalis nila yung mga drones kasi
Opo.
para hindi nila kainin yung mga honey. They will not eat the honey that they didn't gather. Okay? Is it
Opo.
clear? Ikaw
Opo.
ba naman yung yung drones, yung mga bees hindi nag-work, they are not working.
Mm-mm.
So they don't have they will not eat because they are not working. Okay,
Opo.
next. Let's have number 3.
Which is not a kind of bee.
Mm. Which is not a kind of bee. Oh, based from the text, it state there that there are how many again? How many kinds of bees? Uh, how many kinds of bees do we have? Ilan?
A workers, B. King, C. Queens, D. Drones.
Okay, which is not a kind of bee.
Wait lang.
Mm,
Queen, di ba? Mm.
no.
Hindi. The king.
Okay, very good. So, kings is not a kind of bee, okay? In the text or in the story, uh it is state there that there was three kinds of bee only. The workers,
Mm-mm.
the queens, and then the drones. Okay? Next. Let's have number 4. Can you please read number 4? And then the
Which
choices?
word best describes B.
Mm.
A. Hardworking, B. Lazy, C. Stupid, D. Candidly.
Okay. What is your answer?
A. Hardworking.
Very good.
Or mm,
Okay. So, uh, bees are hardworking. Why do you say so? Why is it the bees are hardworking? Can you please tell me? Mm. Why?
they're because they
What?
find
Because
finding a fourth flower tapos honey tapos wait lang.
you answer me in incomplete sentence. Why the bees are hardworking? Bakit? Bakit sinabing hardworking, masisipag yung mga bees? Because what do you think?
Wait lang.
Because they
Then
okay.
wait lang.
Because because uh they work or they are working every day to gather or what do they gather? Ano ang
Honey.
ginagana? Okay, very good. They gather honey. Okay?
Mm-mm.
So, is it clear? Did you understand the story?
Opo.
Okay, so thank you very much, Ethan. Thank you for your active participation, and you really listened very well. Okay, so
Opo.
that's it. See you tomorrow, Ethan.
Okay po.
Bye.
Thank
Oh,
you po.
we will
Salamat po.
continue this tomorrow. Okay?
Opo. Okay po. Bye po.
Okay. Bye.
Po.